In the summer of 2008, all the heat in the corridors of power was over the Indo-US nuclear deal.
What was the hurry for the Indian Prime Minister to break all precedents?
We will renegotiate this act.
The deal will be doomed and this government will be doomed.
Even the Congress party looks set to ditch the deal in order to save the government. But surprisingly, this time Manmohan Singh would not bend with the wind, going eyeball to eyeball with CPM General Secretary Prakash Karat and staking everything, his own future, along with that of his government on it.
I was quite clear that if the nuclear deal had not gone through, I would have resigned.
All hell broke loose and the unthinkable followed. The left withdrew support. More surprisingly, for the first time, the Congress went to work for the Prime Minister to get him votes in the confidence motion that would follow. The drama reached a high, or more accurately a low, when BJP members stormed into the well of the House, showing wads of cash they said they'd been offered in bribes by the Congress. But it was too late.
The result of the division is ayes 275. Noes 256. Ayes have it, ayes have it.
Manmohan had won in what will always be remembered as a rare individual victory for him.
I am very grateful to the honorable members of Parliament for having given us such a convincing victory.
Suddenly, it was cool to be Manmohan Singh.
दुनिया का एक नंबर का प्रधानमंत्री है, सुलझे हुए आदमी है, पढ़े लिखे आदमी है। हाँ। दूसरा है सिंह इज किंग रहेगा। आने वाला प्रधानमंत्री डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह होएगा।
There was even Singh the action hero, Singh the gaming hero.
It was a genuine moment of leadership in that sense that, people cared less about the substance of what he stood for, but the fact that he stood for something. Finally, we've got a Prime Minister who's standing up for something, but was short-lived.
Manmohan Singh had pulled off a coup with the US, but the other foreign policy breakthrough he had hoped for was going to unravel. In November, the attack on Mumbai became the last nail in the coffin of India-Pakistan relations. Singh admits that process had begun to come apart long before that, despite his best efforts and coming very close to a landmark solution.
I and General Musharraf had reached nearly an agreement, a non-territorial solution to all problems. But then General Musharraf got into difficulties with the Chief Justice and he said, well, he cannot operate on all fronts, and therefore the whole process came to a halt.
While he couldn't reconcile relations with the land of his birth, Singh did renew one old tie. His childhood friend from Gah, Muhammad Ali Raja, made an unannounced trip to Delhi and was greeted with a lot of warmth.
उस वक्त मैं बहुत घबराहट में था। जब मैंने देखा वो करीब आ रहे तो मैं सीट से उठा। वो आगे जो आदमी थे वो सीट पर आगे गए, वो पीछे फिर के। इंसान बहुत बड़ा है।
And resistant to change. More evidence of that stands parked at the Prime Minister's residence, a 15-year-old Maruti 800 Singh never sold off.
But you keep this as a memory of...
It's a memento.
And where to next? Manmohan Singh, like his rival Advani, knows this is probably his last general election. The next generation in their parties waits eagerly in the wings.
I certainly would like that at some stage the seat of power should be in the hands of younger people than I am.
In the present, the bookies are betting Singh will be voted back. But the odds of history are against him. No Indian Prime Minister since Nehru has completed a full 5-year term and been re-elected. Whatever the verdict, Singh will be remembered as the gentle professor buffeted by the storm of politics who wasn't swept off his feet.
इंसान वो नहीं है जो हवा के साथ बदले, इंसान तो वही है जो हवा का रुख बदल दे।